What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Juan, and today we're gonna be doing a little bit of what should I call this? I suppose kind of like a refresher to the setup right over here. I thought I'd do a little bit of a free cam just because I don't know, it's kind of fun just walking around talking to you guys to the camera. Well, actually, I'm kind of just talking to myself. Besides the point, so today we have a package. It's from Autonomous. They specialize in kind of like office desk, office chairs, like quality office supplies. And they were very kind to send out a new desk for me in my setup here. Just wait till you guys see. This desk is absolutely beautiful. It's gonna look incredible here in the new setup. I haven't really decided whether I wanna completely make this room into kind of like an office, like full office, or if I just want to keep it as like, you know, a bedroom slash office. Thing is, we're getting a lot of packages, we're getting a lot of things in the mail, and I kind of need more room. I feel a little cramped up in this room, to be like completely honest. So I'm thinking, you know, expanding the setup might be a great idea, especially for, you know, just get better quality shots throughout the room and stuff, why not? But hold on, before we get started on anything, let's say hi to Olive. Hi Olive, you're kind of stinky right now. You're kind of stinky. What's up? I don't know, she's kind of mad at me because I woke her up like super early. We were like up at like 6 in the morning. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and hop into the video. Like I said, I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with the room just yet, but you guys are gonna see what my decision is throughout the video. So let's transition. Honestly, like carrying this upstairs by myself was like the worst thing ever. But just looking at this, like just unboxing it, it's super clean, super smooth. Look at this. Quality in this is like super good. So the thing is, I had to take this apart so I can take each piece on its own, because just this piece alone was like super heavy, like this big one. Incredibly heavy, like to carry up the stairs. But we got it up here and it's huge. It's freaking massive. Okay, so I made the decision. I'm not gonna sleep in that room anymore. So we have an extra room, which actually is kind of empty. So I just thought I'll sleep in there and then I'll make that my office. More space to work, just, you know, it helps me focus better. And honestly, the best part is just the fact that I have more space. But let me show you guys the extra room. So this is the extra room. Just a bunch of random stuff we keep in here. I'm gonna put my bed right here, and then that's pretty much it. Everything else will stay over there. And yeah, honestly, not bad. It has its own bathroom, so it's pretty good. First order of business, Olive, is petting you. All right, now actually first order of business is moving the bed out of here. So yeah, let's get started on that. All right, so I guess before we change anything, I'm gonna show you what it looks like now. The beautiful wall of amiibos. I wish I had more. The bed, little Olive. Okay. See, like I'm saying, like we're kind of like running out of room. Like it's a very tight squeeze in here. Got more stuff here. This is what the setup actually looks like right now. All right, so this is the setup right there. That's the main part. So I'm so sorry for that. I'm getting ready to like change this. That's why I didn't bother with that. This is what it usually looks like, nice and dirty. We got some Legos here. That chair is fire though. With the missing button. Oh my god. Anyways, okay, so this is what it looks like, a little cramped up, and let's see what we can do with it. Olive, hey yo, you gotta move. You gotta move. Let's go. Let's go. Get down. Get down. God, that's a lot of work. All right, so before we even like change anything, definitely gonna clean up this like entire room because it's so messy. All right. All right, so it turns out that redoing this setup is no easy feat. I've been doing this for like the last couple of hours. I've cleaned, of course you got a broom, you got a vacuum, you gotta like pick up all the trash and stuff like that. This room was pretty disgusting, holy shit. To be quite honest, it was pretty nasty. We got the bed in the other do. In the other room, we got all the comics off the floor. Of course, we got little things we got to pick up. All these little stuff, you know, just organize and put away and clean and whatnot. And then we have to unplug all of this, take it off, do some wire management, move it, put the desk in, build it, put everything back, wire manage. And then lastly, one more last thing for the setup. And that's pretty much it. Probably, this has been like an all-day affair. It's been kind of fun, to be honest. I like cleaning and stuff like that for some reason. Makes me feel good, but it's kind of toasty in here. So, okay, that's pretty much it. Let's do a little speed run, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. All right, next, the table. So the table actually came in 3 different boxes, all of them, which are they're all super heavy. So hopefully you guys have somebody else helping you guys out whenever, you know, you might decide to buy this table. But yeah, 3 big heavy boxes. Packaging in this entire delivery has been like amazing. So it like comes like this, you pull it off, and everything's in its little spot, and it's so clean. Like, honestly, it's great packaging. No way that you're gonna get your stuff and it's gonna have damage. Like, it's too good of the packaging. And we got a little note, says, "Hi, we're happy that you joined the Work Smarter movement. Tag us to share great ideas you're working on. We're sure our community of over 130,000 like-minded innovators will love to hear about it. Have an amazing day." Oh, well, thank you. Thank you. You have an amazing day. So I unboxed everything, and here you can see just every little item that it came with. And then of course you have the 2 desks. It's the L desk. All right, let's get to work. All right, so we got the little legs on. We flipped it around, and now we got to put these little frames on. So let's do that. But yeah, so far it's finally starting to take shape. It looks pretty good, pretty clean. I will note, super heavy. Every single piece in the set is heavy, but it's quality. It's the kind of thing that will last you forever. You know, you can have this desk for like 10 years and then give it to your kids. That's how quality this is. It's nuts. All right, next update. Got the board down on the table. That was kind of a pain. So now we just screw it here, screw it there, put the next board here, screw it, and then flip it here. All right, so at this point, we got both panels on. Just a few last steps. Holy crap, I'm tired. This is so heavy, but yeah. 2 panels done, almost done. Let's go. Olive's ready. She's kind of bored. She needs some attention. I'm like doing the final touches on the table. This is like literally the only problem I've come across. So I'm supposed to attach this box here, and it goes in here, right? But on this side, the hole's right there. And yeah, as you can see, it doesn't really fit there. Just a little bit of a, you know, not that big of a deal because I can just screw into the wood right here, but still, just something to point out. Yeah, besides that, everything super smooth, perfect. Bro, so after who knows how long, I finally finished. All the cables are all plugged in. Now the last step is just to flip it. But yeah, pretty cool. Here you got a little cage box that holds all your, well, I don't know what you call this actually, but it holds all your cables. That way your cable management can be on point. So that's pretty cool. All right, so I just flipped it. Holy, it was like a hard flip. Like, it took 3 people to flip this desk, but finally we got it. About to plug it in so it goes up and down. It's a lot bigger than I kind of thought it would be, but it looks fantastic. All right, we got the beginning stages of setting it up. Just kind of mounting everything, just testing it out a little bit. It comes in with some cable ties, so you just kind of stick them to the underneath of the desk and then you just zip them up. Those are pretty cool. Those are handy. But I was just kind of like testing out a little bit of the up and down feature. It works seamlessly. It's perfect. Like, look at that.